Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 Cbse Maths Limits and Derivatives exercise 13.1 question number 15. Let's see the question. Limit x tends to pi sin pi minus x by pi into pi minus x. Here we know the sine formula. We can apply that only when x tends to 0. Here the x tends to pi, so we can't apply the formula. Let me try by substituting the value of pi in place of x. Here the denominator will become 0. So even that I can't do. I can't take the sine formula also. For that reason, I am going to take a variable, let h is equal to pi minus x. The denominator I am going to take it to be h. I want to change my limit to 0. Only then I can apply my sine formula, because the sine formula is limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Only I can apply when the limit x tends to 0. Here the limit x tends to pi, so I can't apply it. I want to change my limit to be 0. For that reason, taking the denominator value, that is pi minus x, to be h. Now we know that h tends to pi. That means I want x is equal to pi. X is equal to pi means only if when h is equal to 0, x will be equal to pi. Bringing x to this side, it will become x is equal to pi. Here they have given x tends to pi means x is equal to pi. If it is equal to pi when x tends to pi, that means h tends to 0. Only when h tends to 0, this will become x tends to pi. Now limit h tends to 0. Substituting h value means everything should be h. We know that sin h, because pi minus x is h. So substituting h value on the numerator. Now in the denominator we can substitute this to be h, but instead of pi place I need to replace it with pi, because there is no replacement of pi, because we know that h is equal to pi minus x. In the place of pi minus x, just substitute the value of h. Now it is in the form of pi sin x by x and h tends to 0, so it is in the form of this. So we know that pi is a constant term. Taking constant term outside, limit h tends to 0, this becomes 1 by pi into sin h by h. It is in the form of this, so we can directly substitute the formula. This is a constant term, so as I told before, the constant term will stay as it is, and by substituting the limit value, it becomes 1 by pi into 1, which is nothing but 1 by pi. This is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.